everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now if you all are aware, I'm not sure whether you all are aware or no, Maybelline Fit Me has come up with total 3 new different shades in their compact. Earlier they were having only 3 shades. Now they have extended their range. They have added 3 more shades, and that 3 more shades are going to be useful for a medium to dusky to dark skin tone person who is like me, because I count myself in medium to dusky, and whoever is darker than me, this range, this particular new launch is going to be definitely useful for them. Earlier I have just noted down the shade names over here, so if I'm looking around, don't worry, I'm just looking out the shade names. Earlier they were having 115 ivory, 128 warm nude, and then 220 natural beige. Now they have extended their line. Now the 3 shades with the new launch is 230 natural buff, okay, 310 sun beige, right, and the last one is 330 toffee, right. Each compact contains 8 grams of product. It comes in this kind of usual Maybelline Fit Me packaging. Also, when you open, the shelf life of the product is 2 years, okay. When you open, you get this kind of plastic bag, and under that you get this kind of compact. I'll show you. It is the round compact with a blue border. Y'all can see. This is the compact. Okay, now over here they have written Maybelline Fit Me with the blue font. When you flip the product, that is on the back side, they have given you Maybelline Fit Me matte plus poreless powder, up to 12-hour oil control powder. I am not having oily skin, so I cannot actually comment on 12-hour oil control, but definitely it is matte and poreless, that I can assure you, right. That fits the skin tone. That all details they have given. They have given you the shade name. Shade name is given over here on the compact itself. So if you are throwing this away, no problem, you have the shade name. Like me, if suppose if you are having 2-3 shades in the same compact, then definitely it is useful. So if you want to throw away the outer packaging, in short, you can throw. The manufacturing and expiry is given over here. As I told you, it contains the shelf life is for 2 years, and it contains 8 grams, if I have not told you, right. This is the compact outer packaging. When you open the packaging, it comes in this kind of, I've already used it and I have already shown the demo and all, so that is why it is this kind of comes with this kind of puff. Also there is a plastic layer to cover up, and this is the compact, okay. Over here they have given you a good quality mirror. So this compact is travel friendly compact. If you are traveling, you can carry this and easily, because since it contains the mirror, right. Now as I told you, there are total 6 shades. I have already got the 3 shades. Now what I'll do is, I'll do half one shade, half other shade, and the third shade which will be on my full face. So over here I have done 330 toffee earlier in the demo part, 330 toffee, over here 230 natural buff, okay. And on my full face right now what you can see is 310 sun beige, and definitely sun beige as per me is the perfect fit. That is the perfect compact for our skin tone, right. So you all can see side by side if you all want to see, but then the packaging is like the same usual packaging. There's nothing great, right. So now what we will do is we will just move towards the demo part of this video, right. Yes, now as you all know, I don't have applied anything on my face. It is just a little bit of concealer, eyeliner and a lipstick and eyebrows. That is all. Nothing else is applied on my face. So now, as I told you in the introduction part, that I have already 3 shades of this particular range. What I'll do is I'll swatch all the 3 shades over here. Then we will see which shades are pretty close by matching. Whichever is exactly close by, because since I have 3 shades, I can apply half, then third shade. So what I'll do is the 2 shades which are not pretty close by, I'll apply half and half, and the shade which is pretty close by, I'll apply later on after cleaning it up. I apply on the full face, right. That is why I have not applied any of the foundation or anything, because sometimes whenever we are running very late, we do not have time to apply foundation and all. We just apply little bit of compact concealer, compact, and that is all. That is what I do, and that is why I am showing you in the same way. So first what I'll do is, because I guess toffee is going to be darker for my complexion, so what I'll do is first I'll take toffee and I'll try to swatch over here. So this is a toffee shade, right? I'll just take a little bit on my finger and I'll swatch it here. Let me swatch it for you on my hand. This is the toffee shade. But I wanted to show you the difference between the 3 new shades launched. That is why I have purchased it, all 3. I'll just take my mirror. This is the toffee. Yes, it is dark. Right, so this is the toffee shade. Now I'll just clean my finger. Then we will take next is 310 Sun Beige. So this is the other finger basically. This is the other finger. This is a 310 Sun Beige. Right, now I'll just take a little bit again and I'll swatch next to toffee. Then we will just make out. Right, here I am swatching 310 Sun Beige. This is 330 toffee. This is 310 Sun Beige. Right, and now I'll again clean my finger, but I'll use the other finger only. Then I'm taking 230 Natural Buff. So I'm just swatching. This is the third shade. The third swatch is 230 Natural Buff. Right, I'll just take a little bit again. I've taken on my finger. I'll just swatch it here. So y'all can see these are the 3 shades. This is 330 coffee. No, not coffee. Toffee. I'm so sorry. 330 toffee, 310 Sun Beige, and 230 Natural Buff. These are the 3 shades. Right, y'all can see on my face. Now what I'll do is I'll just clean up with a normal napkin. We'll see whether it goes off clearly. I think since it is a compact, I don't think it is going to, yeah, it is already gone. Right, now what we will do is we will do this toffee on my left part. I know it is not going to match, but still I will give you my shade match. In MAC I'm NC 43.5 in that powder plus foundation. In Maybelline Fit Me I'm 332. In Maybelline Super Stay I'm 310. Right, these are the 3 best match. In Wet n Wild I use Desert Beige, and what else? In Faces Canada I use 04 Sand, and in Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation I use F12. Right, so these are basically few of my matches. So if your skin is also as my skin, I basically fall under golden undertone. So if you are somewhat close to me or somewhere closer to my skin tone, then definitely y'all can, this video is going to be pretty helpful. What I'll do is I'll just use this puff, whichever it comes with it, I'll use that only just to see what kind of coverage it gives. Because if I'll use some makeup brush or something, I think it will reduce the coverage or something, and I don't want to do it. So I'm using this puff which comes with it. I'll just take, see I have taken, I'm so sorry, I'm not sure how it will look. Yeah, it is dark. So if you are having very light foundation, you just want to cover up, I think then this foundation, this powder will be better. But see, if I'm using this compact also, like of course it is making my skin little bit darker, but then it is not looking bad. Y'all can see I have not applied properly, but then just we can see, y'all can see this is a 330 toffee and this side is no compact. As far as my knowledge is there, and if you ask me, of course this is a little bit darker, but it is not like looking very bad, we can manage with this compact. Of course, darker, but then manage, yes, we can. Okay, so this part is 330 toffee. Now we will just keep 330 toffee aside and we will move with the, what we will take? We'll take 230 natural buff, because I guess sun beige will be better. So we will take 230 natural buff. Let's see. Again, as I said, I'm taking the same puff. See, now I don't know whether the camera will capture. These are two different shades. I don't know whether it is capturing. This is toffee and this is 230 natural beige. Now you all can see natural buff. I'm so sorry. You all can see this is natural buff on my skin and this is a toffee. What I'll do is I'll just pause the camera now. I'll just go off the screen. I'll just wash off this face and I'll come up and I'll just do the full face with 310 sun beige. I'll just come back. Now, as I told you, I have applied 330 toffee, 230 natural buff. Now what I'll do is I'll apply 310 sun beige. Okay, 310 with the same puff. I'll apply on full face and then we'll see which one is better, because as per my guessing, sun beige will be proper. Yes, it is a little darker, but then between 230 and 310 I don't think there is any shade. If maybe I may be wrong, but then I think with this I can manage. Yes, now you all can see, right? This is a 310 on my full face, sun beige. I'll just keep it. Right, now you all can see. Right, and this is without any foundation. This is just the normal compact. Right, now as per if you ask me what is my final call on this particular compact, is definitely if you are similar to my skin tone, either you can, of course toffee will be little bit darker, not much, little bit darker. Yes, of course it is little bit darker, but if you have a lighter foundation, then coffee can tone down the lightness of the foundation. And if you are similar to my skin tone and similar to my skin type and my like foundation shade match and all, then 310 natural sun beige will be proper. Even you can manage with 230 natural buff also, but then 230 natural buff is over here and it is a little bit lighter. But if you want some lighter finish, that is if you want your skin to look little lighter, then you can go for 230 natural buff also. I hope this video is going to be a little bit of helpful. If yes, then give it a huge thumbs up. There are a lot of other videos on my channel which will be useful for you. I have separate playlist for each and every videos. So definitely do like, share, subscribe to my channel. You can go ahead and you can watch other videos on my channel, because as I told you, I have lot of playlists, and under the playlist I'm damn sure you will find the videos which you are looking out for. I do have lot of lipstick swatch video also, which are with and without makeup. I have lot of videos, so consider subscribing my channel. And if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment what do you think is proper, right? And if you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, that also you can leave in the comment section, or else I have my Instagram handle. I'll give you the Instagram handle on the screen, as well as it will be given in the description box. So you can definitely follow me on Instagram. If you want, you can directly message me over there also. If you have any other questions related to any of the products or related to anything, you can ask me over there also. And you can follow me on Instagram for the latest updates. Yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.